show me a loud laugh then. Excellent. We'll start today. Our session is basic dribbling. We'll teach you how to dribble the ball. Okay. Whenever you are going straight, whenever you are going in a straight pathway, you need to use your laces part. Got it? On straight pathway, I am using my laces part. And to change the direction, out foot. Did you watch me? Lace part. To change the direction, inner part of the foot. Sometimes outer part of the foot. And the main thing is, whenever you are dribbling, your body should be close to the ball. Soft touch on the ball and quick feet. Got it? We'll have a quick start. Just take one ball with you and get inside the boundary there. This is the square boundary and you should be inside the boundary. Dribble. Use your lace part. Try not to touch others' ball. Don't get clashed. Keep dribbling. Use your lace part. Soft touches, quick feet, 3, 2, 1, freeze. Few of you using your toe when you are dribbling. I want proper lace part contact. When you bend your ankle, when your toe pointing towards the ground, you can get a lace part contact. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I want everyone to use your lace part when you are going straight. Soft touches. Just pass me the ball.
Yes, sir.
We have seen many great players how they move. They move very fast, right?
Yes, sir.
Without learning basic dribbling, you can't suddenly do the fast dribbling. You might have seen good players. They go very fast. Fast, change the direction. They do skills. Again they move. They stop the ball. Whenever call number 1, you need to stop the ball with your sole and start doing top taps. Got it? What will you do? Stop the ball. Start doing top taps or toe taps.
Sir.
Come on, dribble, lace part, move, keep moving, no touching others' ball, be inside the boundary, soft touches, quick feet. Number 1, stop the ball, start doing toe taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Great job, stop. Drill the fun game 2. Whenever I blow the whistle, you need to change the direction. Got it? This will be the second condition. Pass the ball. So, I will be dribbling. When sir blow the whistle, he will change the direction. When sir blow the whistle, he will change the direction. When sir blow the whistle, change the direction. Change the direction. Only when I blow the whistle. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Ready? This will be a second condition. Got it? Come on, start dribbling. Use your lace part. Try to be inside the boundary, no going out. Change the direction. Good, very good there. Quickly change the direction. Three, two, one, freeze. This will be the third condition, third and the last condition. When I say number 3, you need to go to the free space and sit on the ball. Got it? See, this is not a proper personal space. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Making use of the space available. In the game when you are playing, if you are in a free space, it's very helpful for your teammate to pass you. So, I am having the ball. When sir say 3, so there is a free space, right? I will go to the free space, I will stop the ball, sit on the ball.
Yes, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
And around me there should be no one here, like this. If I see anyone very close, you will have to do 10 top taps. 3, 2, 1, come on, dribble. Number 3. Personal space there, good. All are far. Excellent. Up, come on, dribble. Keep dribbling. Lace part, inner foot, outer foot. Change the direction. No going out. Great job. Number 3. Go to the free space. Great job. Up again. Dribble. Number 1. Toe taps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10. Stop. Good. Now, see, it's very important even to look up when you are dribbling, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So, many of you just looking at the ball, lace part contact you are doing, good. In foot you are doing, out foot you are doing. Using your sole part, great job. But you are not looking up. In the game, you need to look up. After every 2 touches, whenever you do 2 touches, you need to look up. Check who is there. Got it?
Yes, sir.
Will you do?
Yes, sir.
Come on now, dribble. Dribble. Get the ball. Come on, dribble, dribble. This time, I'll not tell you to look up. So, whenever I show red marker, you need to stop the ball and start doing the toe taps. Got it? Will you?
Sir.
And whenever I show you the white marker, you need to go to the free space and sit on the ball. And I don't know when I'll raise this. Come on, dribble then. Dribble. Use your lace part, more number of touches with your lace part. Use your out foot, in foot. Great job. Come on, dribble. You are looking up then. Good. Pick up the ball. Come here. Okay, now, what was today's session?
Dribbling.
Great. Good.
You want to see up.
Excellent. Now, which part of the foot you will use when you are moving straight?
Yes, sir.
Good. And which part to change the direction? Inner foot, outer foot. Great job. Then, do you think dribbling is important in the game?
Yes, sir.
How?
To cover the surface.
Yes, with the ball, whenever you are dribbling, you are covering the space. You are moving towards the opponent's goal. I mean your target. Okay, now. And the second was spatial awareness. Yes or no?
Sir.
Do you think it's important in the match?
Yes, sir.
In the game? How? Yeah, you can make yourself free and you are standing and you are asking the ball. But if you're just standing very close, it's easy for opponents to tackle you. Important to go to the free space and ask the ball. Even here, if you are very close, there are chances of getting clash with your playmates, right? So you need to go in the free space and dribble. Got it?
Sir.
Did you have fun?
Sir.
Thank you so much being with me.